Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, latest updates, and expert insights on the hottest vehicles in the market. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Toyota Venza, a stylish and sophisticated crossover that blends efficiency, advanced technology, and a premium driving experience. With a focus on comfort, fuel economy, and modern features, the latest Venza continues to be a strong contender in the midsize SUV segment, appealing to those who want a balance between practicality and luxury. The 2025 Toyota Venza features an elegant and aerodynamic design with sleek body lines, a bold front grille, and sharp LED headlights that give it a distinctive presence on the road. The sculpted hood and refined side profile add to its premium appeal, while the rear end boasts stylish LED taillights and a streamlined bumper that enhances its overall sophistication. Toyota has introduced new color options and alloy wheel designs, allowing buyers to customize their Venza to match their preferences. The attention to detail in the exterior styling reflects Toyota's commitment to providing a crossover that stands out with a modern and upscale look. Under the hood, the 2025 Venza is powered by an efficient hybrid powertrain that delivers a smooth and refined driving experience. The combination of a gasoline engine and electric motors provides an excellent balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both city driving and highway cruising. The hybrid system ensures seamless transitions between electric and gasoline power, optimizing performance while reducing emissions. The continuously variable transmission enhances efficiency while maintaining responsive acceleration, ensuring that the Venza remains both practical and enjoyable to drive. Inside the cabin, the Venza offers a premium and tech-forward environment designed for maximum comfort and convenience. High-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces create an upscale ambiance, while the modern dashboard layout ensures an intuitive and driver-friendly experience. The centerpiece of the interior is the large touchscreen infotainment system, featuring an improved user interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The available premium sound system enhances the audio experience, making every journey more enjoyable. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data, while the available head-up display projects key information directly onto the windshield for added convenience. The seating arrangement in the 2025 Venza is designed for both comfort and versatility. The front seats offer power-adjustable features with available heating and ventilation, ensuring a comfortable ride in any weather conditions. The rear seats provide ample legroom and headroom, making long journeys more enjoyable for passengers. Toyota has also improved the cabin insulation, reducing road noise for a quieter and more refined driving experience. The panoramic sunroof adds an open and airy feel to the interior, enhancing the overall sense of space and luxury. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Toyota Venza, and it comes equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite of driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These advanced technologies work together to enhance driver awareness and reduce the risk of accidents. Toyota has also reinforced the vehicle's structure for improved crash protection, ensuring that occupants remain safe in the event of a collision. With these safety features, the Venza provides peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. The driving experience of the 2025 Venza is characterized by a smooth and composed ride, with a suspension system that absorbs road imperfections while maintaining stability around corners. The electric all-wheel drive system provides enhanced traction and control, making it a reliable option for various road conditions. The hybrid powertrain's regenerative braking system contributes to overall efficiency while offering a natural braking feel. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on long-distance road trips, the Venza delivers a comfortable and confident drive. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Venza's standout features, thanks to its hybrid technology. It offers excellent mileage, making it an economical choice for drivers looking to save on fuel costs without compromising performance. The hybrid system's ability to optimize power distribution ensures that the Venza delivers impressive efficiency, making it an environmentally friendly option for those who prioritize sustainability. Toyota's engineering expertise ensures that this hybrid crossover remains reliable and cost-effective for long-term ownership. The 2025 Venza is packed with advanced technology to enhance convenience and connectivity. The infotainment system is designed for seamless interaction, with voice recognition capabilities that allow drivers to control functions hands-free. The navigation system provides real-time traffic updates, helping drivers plan efficient routes. Wireless charging and multiple USB ports ensure that devices remain powered on the go. Toyota has also integrated smart key entry and push-button start for added convenience. The available digital rearview mirror provides an expanded field of vision, improving safety and visibility in challenging driving conditions. Toyota offers the 2025 Venza in multiple trim levels, each catering to different preferences and budgets. The base model is well equipped with essential features, providing strong value for buyers looking for an affordable yet sophisticated crossover. The mid-level trims introduce more luxury and convenience upgrades, including enhanced interior materials and additional technology features. The top-tier trim delivers premium amenities such as leather upholstery, a larger touchscreen display, and an upgraded sound system. With a range of options, Toyota ensures that buyers can choose the Venza model that best fits their lifestyle and driving needs. Practicality is another strength of the 2025 Venza, with a spacious cargo area that accommodates a variety of storage needs. The rear seats can be folded down to create additional cargo space, making it easy to transport larger items. Toyota has also designed a cargo area with a hands-free power